You got a lot of people that they're experts and they want to be experts. And my God, is it easy to sell someone, hey, you want to be an expert? They're like, oh God, yeah, feel significant, feel important, feel like I know things. Oh yes. I guess like it's a human need or something. And my friend posted a post. He's like, who here wants to learn personal branding? And he had so many people reply. And I wanted to write on there like, what the frick? This is not how wealth is generated. Wealth is generated by finding people with a problem and generating a result. It's not generated by showing good pictures of yourself on a website and talking about your brand. It's about connecting with people and their problems. Dude, I live a relaxed, thing back, sip on a Mai Tai, and money just pours into my account every single day because I serve people. I don't talk about my personal brand. Go to startfromzero.com. You won't see my picture anywhere. Look at my book, Start From Zero. My picture's not on the front or the back. What is this self-entitlement we have wanting to make ourselves big? It's not about you. Don't let it be about you.